Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota RAV4 for 2012 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Here is the box. So you can check. Harness and canvas box adapted. This head unit. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. You can check this special harness for Toyota. This canvas box, canvas decoder box. Okay, this connect to our head unit, back of head unit. This radio antenna and these two connect for backup camera. This camera input. Okay. And this AUX input is main power. Okay. It comes with GPS antenna and the camera input, original USB, and audio combo, video input, AUX input left and right, and this audio combo, video out 1 and video out 2. This subwoofer and audio out front and rear, left and right. Okay. Okay, you can check this front panel. Please notice this hole and this one, this L, this button, and the side. And the back. There are two USB cables and this external microphone. It's long cable. Connect this. Okay, you can check this connector power fuse GPS. It's connected for audio cable and DSP antenna and other. This Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Let me connect to power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head unit is start. Okay, started. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can check very fast response. And this button's volume, back, home, this power, shut down, and turn on. This reset hole and the microphone, built-in microphone. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check this built-in YouTube, steering wheel control, and this date and time updated by GPS and Wi-Fi. This radio, search radio station, you will get many stations. This DSP amplifier, a built-in Google Maps and Play Store. This Play Store. It's easy connection for Mirrorlink. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's DSP. Going to adjust. And there have sub control, EQ, okay, let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check the CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, PX5 octa-core, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, here back home. You can check the storage. This total 64GB. 64GB storage. Okay, let me check the car settings. Personal setting. It's autoplay music, power and SC delay standby. LED settings, you can change the red color, green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Navigation, maps, built-in Google Maps navigation sound, GPS monitor, driving setting, it's reversing volume, watch video, turn on, it's rear ruler, tracking display, mirroring, radar, front radar system, voice, steering wheel controls. Okay. Or you can install apps by here, or you can, there are two USB cable you can install by USB. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.